Sponsored by the Advanced Cosmetic Surgery and Laser Center.
Good afternoon once again. If you're feeling the weather and it's sort of showing up in your skin these days, we got this. We want to welcome Nurse Practitioner Hope Merz. She's joining us now from the Advanced Cosmetic Surgery and Laser Center. Tell us a little bit more about this wonderful procedure that can give me back my glow and the use of exosomes. Hi, Hope.
Hi, Liz. So we are performing microneedling today on Stephanie. We're into the fall now. We want to clear off some of our summer sun damage, and this is going to help us do that.
So what is microneedling?
With microneedling, we want to create microchannels, also known as micro injuries to the skin, so that we are creating a cascade of healing. Our skin will automatically, with these little tiny injuries, start stimulating collagen production, elastin production. It will start to heal mutated cells within our skin from brown spots, precancers, aging. It's good for everything.
Okay, so I see her kind of using that, and our model looks pretty comfortable. I'm guessing it doesn't hurt?
How does that feel, Stephanie?
I can't really feel much because of the numbing cream. It's really just a gentle vibration.
We typically apply numbing for about 20 minutes prior to this procedure, just a topical cream to make it as comfortable as it can be, but it's really fairly pain-free.
All right, and then Liz is going over her face, and you mentioned that you use these things now that sort of give you a little extra zip called exosomes. What are those?
Yes, so exosomes are a form of stem cell therapy. These are naturally occurring within our bodies to help heal stuff within us if we have some sort of injury going on throughout our body, but they're now replicated for use in cosmetics as well. And we can apply this directly on top of the skin after these injuries are created for further stimulation of collagen and other healing factors.
So we know that stem cells sort of take on the properties of other cells. So is that the idea? You sort of let them get infused into the skin and over time it looks better?
Yes, so a stem cell contains a lot of different material, and one of those things is an endosome, and the endosome is smart. It knows where to go to find an injury and heal it. When it goes to that injury, it's then called an exosome, and that's what we're using. So these are smart cells that know what to do to heal, whether it's for hair loss or there's other aspects of medicine we use exosomes in. For skin, it helps with everything rejuvenation, for skin health and cosmetic appearance.
All right, excellent. We want to put up a phone number in case people are interested in getting more information, but how long does this procedure take and how much does it cost?
So this takes about 20 minutes to complete. You typically want to start with maybe 2 or 3 treatments in a row every 6 weeks, and it ranges from 300 to 600 depending on if you add the exosomes.
And how long before she's healed?
Probably about 3 days total of healing time. It's mainly visible redness today. Tomorrow she could apply a tinted SPF and no one would know that she had something done.
Nice work. All right. Well, Liz, Stephanie, and Hope, thank you so much for sharing that. We're certainly going to need it as the weather's changing. Good job there today. We'll check back to see how good she's looking. Thanks, Hope.
All right. Thanks, Liz.